Welcome students. Hope you all are safe. Keep taking precautions and also you would have followed all the instructions given by government from time to time. Now coming back to the education side, you all have seen the last video where we have discussed about operations with large number and basically additions and subtraction. Then we also found about the missing numbers in addition and subtraction. Let's take 2 or 3 examples based on the previous video, and then we will be moving forward with word problem. So let's start our session today. Now today the first example is like arrange in columns and add. So if like this type things are given, the number be 7 crores 25 lakhs 68,104 and 49 lakhs 38,256. So as I have used comma, the reading point was very easy. Now we need to arrange them. Before arranging them, let's mention the positions. Then 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. Clear? Now starting from the ones digit, that is 4, 0, 1, 8, 6, 5, 2 and 7. Similarly the next number 6, 5, 2, 8, 3, 9 and 4. Now as I told that after mentioning the place values and allotting the numbers, the work becomes very easy. Now the next precaution to be taken is the digit should be just below the above digit. Now if you add and keep one line gap between the place values and the number, so that if at all somewhere carry or borrow comes, you can easily mention it. So like 4 plus 6 is 10, 0, 1. Then 0 plus 1 is 1 and then 5 is 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 8 plus 8, 16. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10, 0. 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 4, 15. Now 5. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7 and 7. So keeping the commas, the sum is equal to, this is your sum, which is equal to 7 crores 75 lakhs 6,360. Now one more example where we will be discussing that subtract 3 lakhs 40,789 from 20 lakhs 1,005. Now see, first using comma means it becomes very easy to read. Now we know that this number is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, whereas here we have 7 digits. And if we read, this is 3 lakhs 40,789, whereas this is 20 lakhs 1,005. So obviously this number is greater and we need to subtract the numbers, and keep in mind that whenever subtract is followed by from, the last number will be the greater number, that is, mention it. Yes, position is required. 0, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 5, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 2. Then again 9, 8, 7, 0, 4 and 3. Here nothing is there. So simply mention 0 and do the subtraction work. Now to subtract with 5, 9 cannot be subtracted. So will be asking for a borrow from the neighbor number itself has one number less, so 10. This is 10, this becomes 0. Again forwarding, this is 9, let it be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 15 minus 9 is how much? Is 6. Then 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again here borrow comes 10, 9 and 1. So here it is 6. Here it is 6 and this is 1. So the answer is 16,06,226. Now coming to next example, where we'll be taking an example of subtracting a number, that is subtract 47 lakh 5,600 and 88 from 1 crore. See what happens if the problem is given in number name form. Here it is very easy, putting comma and then. So what we will do, we will try to write the number first in this form and then arrange them and then do the subtraction. So writing this number, that is 47 lakh 5,688. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So write the greater number, that is you have placed the values. Now writing it as 48 lakhs 5,688. So nothing is there in the thousands place, so we will be mentioning it as 0. And the other number is 1 crore. Clear? Now we know the 1 crore is greater, so we will be mentioning here as again 1 crore by 8, 8, 6, 5, 0, 8, 4. And we'll be subtracting the number here again ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. So this we have done for writing the number, and this is our operation work where we are doing the subtraction. So this will ask from this, so keep on asking. Here it becomes 0, this is 10 and then 9. This is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and only this will be 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 8, 1 and 5. Clear? So we are with the answer, and without getting any hesitation, just follow the procedure. The procedure says to put commas, read the number, write them below the place you are allotting the position of the place values, and without having any confusion, just keep on solving the given problem. Okay? Apart from this, we have discussed about check and all. I hope you understood, and we also performed for the simplification part. Now moving forward with word problems, we'll take a few examples of word problems. Now when we talk of word problem, let's take our first word problem as the difference of two numbers is So our question is, the difference of two numbers is 4,57,894. The smaller number is 39,216. Find the larger number. So we'll be writing it as larger number is equals to plus 39216. So mentioning the positions, we have till lakh only, so it's sufficient. Write 4, 9, 8, 7, 5 and 4, 6, 1, 2, 9 and 3. Do the performance as addition, so this becomes 0, 1, that is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 11, again 1 and 1. This is 10 plus 7, 17, 7, 1 in hand, and 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, and this is your 4. So the larger number is 4,97,110. Clear? Now, to check our answer, 497,110. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Subtract it by 39216. 10 minus 6 is 4. This becomes 0, 1. This is 0. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then this becomes 6. This is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 again take a borrow here. 16 minus 9 is 10 minus 2 is 8. 16 minus 9 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 3 and then 4. So we are getting the resultant here. So we can check our answer also after solving. Now let's proceed to the next example. Now what is our next example? Next example is what must be added to 56,783 to get 2,49,594. So something is to be added. Clear? Let this be added to 56,783 to get 2,49,594. See, in the previous problem, we have shifted a negative 1 to the other side, that became positive. Now here, you can leave this blank, or you can say that let x be added. Think whatever you are going to add as x. Let x be added. So this becomes x plus 56,783, that is 56,783, to get the answer as 2,49,594. So what to be done? Let this be x, 2,49,594. Changing this is moving the position from here to the other side, that is minus 56,783 783. Clear? Now, for the performance operation, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Clear? We have this is 4, 9, 5, 9, 4 and 2. The other number is 3, 8, 7, 6 and 5. We need to do subtraction. As this was positive, went to the other side with the negative sign. We are doing the subtraction work. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 7, not possible. So this will become 15. And here it will become 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Again we need to take a borrow here. This becomes 1. And 14 minus 5 is 9 and 1 here. So we need to add, let x means the value of x is the value of x we got is 1,92,811. Now we will check our answer. To check our answer, what we will do, x is 1,92811, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. And add the other number, that is 3, 8, 7, 6 and 5. So you will get 4. 8 plus 1, 9, 15, 5, 8 plus 1, 9 and here it becomes 4 and this is 2. So we can see that when you are substituting the value of x to the given number, you are getting this. So this is your check part. So when you are solving the problem and checking it up, it becomes confirmed that your answer is right. What you have done is right. Let's move to the further example. Next example is Ravi bought 2 TVs for rupees 1,39,500 and he sold one of them for rupees 75,000 and the other one for 8,000. How much money did he get? Now this new word gain, this gain and the opposite of gain is loss, is discussed when we are discussing or doing calculation for rupees. That is a transaction, or in the business when you go to shop to buy something, we use this gain and loss. Now, many times whenever you have went with your mother to purchase vegetable, you would have listened that the vegetable vendor says, ma'am, please take this. Anyhow, I am selling it for a loss. I purchased it for this much rupees and I am giving you for this rupees. Like he says, आप ले लीजिए मैम, मैं तो 40 रुपए किलो लाया हूँ, आप 35 का ले लीजिए, अब क्या करूँ मैं इसको रख के. This shows he is having storage problem. Because of that, he is selling an item which is purchased for 40 rupees kg, he is selling it for 35 rupees kg. Clear? So what he says, मुझे घाटा हो रहा, that is loss. Now, things to be noted is CP, wherever you find CP, that is cost price, SP is selling price, or if you find cost price, you can write it as CP, and if you find selling price, you can write it as SP. Now there could be two cases. When we have SP and CP, while comparing, one must be greater, yes, or if they are same, there is no chance of profit and loss. Profit and loss arises when one is greater. Now, when cost price is greater and selling price is smaller, we get a loss. Means you are purchasing an item by investing more amount and selling it for a lesser amount, like the vegetable vendor. And you get a gain when the selling price is high. आपने कम में खरीदा है और ज्यादा में आप बेच रहे हैं. In such a case, you get a profit Now profit to be calculated is selling price minus cost price, and loss to be calculated is with cost price minus selling price. Coming back to our question, Ravi bought 2 TV. Now bought means he has purchased. So what we will be writing? Cost price of 2 TV. We can write it as set. As sets is equals to rupees 1,35,500. Now selling price of 2 TV sets is equal to rupees 75,000 plus rupees 80,000. Now when you add these two, see he sold them independently. For one TV the customer paid 75,000. The other TV it was 80,000. So altogether when you add, this becomes 3 zeros for 1,000, and 75 plus 80 is nothing but 5 plus 0 is 5, and 7 plus 8 is 15. Yeah. Now we have cost price, we have selling price. Now we will be writing it separately. Clear? And the other one as. Now when you compare, what do you find? This is your SP and this is your CP. Clear? Now we find that 1 and 1 common. See, first count the number of digits. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. The first comparison rule covered. Second, start comparing from the left. 1, 1, same. 5 and 3. 5 is greater than 3. So this becomes a greater number. And now as SP is greater than CP, we have a profit. And the profit to be calculated as profit, or as given in the question as gain, is equal to SP minus CP, that is rupees 1,55,000 minus rupees 1,39,500. So while doing the performance operation, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So 1,55,000, 1,39,500. Yes. Now when performing the calculation, 0, 0, this becomes tens. This is 14. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And here comes as 5. This is 4 and 1. So we are at 15,500. So during this he had a profit of 15,500 rupees. Similarly, we'll take up one more example over here. Now Ravi had 2 motorcycles, each rupees 84,000. Now here to be understand concept as each. Each means we are talking about 1. He sold them together for rupees 1,58,750. So together means already cost of 2 is given. Did he gain or lose? Now cost of 2 motorcycle is rupees 84,000 plus rupees 84,000 as each is given. Clear? Now we will add these two numbers, that is 1,000 and 1,000. 4 and 4 is 8, 8 and 8 is 16. So what we got is cost price of 2 motorbike is 1,68,000, and whereas the selling price of 2 motorcycle is equal to rupees 1,58,750. Our question is, did he gain or lose? For finding out did he gain or lose, we need to write the numbers and compare them. Clear? Now 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So first step over. When we talk of the second step, this is 1, this is 1, this is 6 and this is 5. So this number is greater and this is nothing but your cost price and this is your selling price. So we get that cost price is greater than selling price. Therefore, he has faced for a loss. That is, how much loss if it is required, that is not our question, but in some question it may be asked that how much did he lose. So for such a condition, 0, tens, hundreds, 1,000 and 10,000 and lakh, and then 58,750. So for loss, this is 0 and 0, here it becomes 10, here it is 9, this is 7, here it is 5 and 1. So we have 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 7 is 2. Here it is 8 and above is 17. So this becomes 9. So he had a loss of rupees 9,250. So with this we will be ending our session for today and we will be meeting for the next session where we will be discussing about operations on large number with multiplication and further. So by then keep practicing and be safe. Thanks for now.